Hi guys, welcome to the channel. It's Mummy and Irish here, and a Merry Christmas. I know it isn't Christmas today, but it's Boxing Day. We're gonna be doing this thing. I don't know what it's called.
It's called Magic Mixies Pixlings.
It's called Magic Pixlings. It's my first time doing a toy reveal. Let's get started. It is open a little bit, that's fine. So first off we're going to be unwrapping the thing. Okay, so here's the accessories. We got number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. But first off, we're going to be pouring in a jug of water.
Yeah, because step 1, look, it says fill potion bottle to the line with water. Oh, so can you see the line?
I can't really do it because I got a broken finger. So it's so difficult. Okay, so you can see that there's the line and the water's right here. You might not be able to see it because the camera's a little bit low and you can't really see the water.
Okay, so step 2 is pour in your Pixlin Power Elixir. Oh,
Yeah.
So Iris has got number 2.
I'm going to cut it.
Be gentle, remember.
All of it in.
All of it in. That's definitely number 2. Now, ooh, look at the colour. Ooh. So what colour's that changed to? It's like a bluey colour. Okay, so number 3. Sprinkle in shimmering essence. So look for number 3.
What's inside it?
This is number 3. So this is shimmering essence. So she's going to pop it inside.
Any more? No? Now set.
So number 4, pour in Pixlin Magic Elixir. So look for number 4. Do we need to hold it again?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at the colour. Oh, spillage. Ooh, look how dark the blue is. Oh, so we're on step 5. Right, add Cosmic Charm. So number 5.
So this is what's inside Cosmic 5. Okay, there.
So gone inside.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And then number 6 is pour in your Pixlin Friendship Elixir. So number 6.
Okay.
Right, remember to take this slowly so don't spill it. That's it. Ooh, what colour is this one? Is that all gone in? Number 7, remove the pink ring. So this, remove that.
I don't know.
Yeah. That's it, pull it.
I'm gonna
There we go. Number 8, turn the moon gem until it stops. So turn it. That's it. Keep going. Keep going. Has it stopped?
Yeah.
Oh, look, it says Magicus Mixus. Oh, okay. It says say the magic words and push down hard twice on the moon jam.
What's the magic word?
Magicus Mixer. So say it twice.
Magical Mixer.
And again.
Magic Miska.
Wait. 1, and again.
Magic.
2. Okay. It says release and wait a minute for the shimmer magic to turn your potion clear. So keep watching until your potion goes nice and clear. Is it starting to go lighter?
Yeah, I can actually see it.
So Iris says she can start beginning to see the surprise that's inside.
And I think it's a unicorn as well. Because I can see a unicorn shape. Oh, I can see it. I can see it, guys.
It's taking a while.
Uh-huh.
When you turn it round so the camera can see. Oh. Oh, I think we can see something.
We can see it now.
What does she look like?
She looks so cool.
What?
She's on a unicorn.
She's on a unicorn?
Or a horse, like whatever that thing is.
Oh. Oh, we can a little. Oh, I think we can see. Can you see the eyes? Like, she's quite big, isn't she?
Yeah.
Oh, it's almost ready to be emptied, I think, so we can reveal the surprise.
I think we can empty it. So, while we're waiting for this, a shout out for Uncle Graham and Auntie Wendy for buying me this, and thank you so much for buying me this. I love it so much. Thank you.
Okay, so I think it's time to empty it because the water's gone nice and clear and you can actually see what's inside. So we're ready to next step. So the next step says, ask an adult to tip the shimmer solution out of the bottle. It's glitter free and can be poured down the sink. So I'm going to do that now.
Okay, this is the doll.
So this is the water tipped out and this is what's inside. So should we go ahead and get it out? So it says ask an adult to help unscrew the lid, pull cylinder out and unscrew the cylinder cap.
So there we go. Let me get ready.
Ready? Lifting it up. 1, 2, 3. Wow, look at them.
Wow.
Wow. Oh, something just fell inside.
Her name?
Oh, does it say a name in there?
I don't know.
Shall I have a quick look for you? Oh, so it comes with a little information pack. So when you get the unicorn out, it comes with a little Shimmerverse series booklet which tells you all about it. So Iris's unicorn and Pixie is called Unia and Rainbow Star.
So this one's called Uni and this one's called Rainbow Star.
Yeah. Look at these. Oh, look at her hair. So cool. And these are all the ones that you can collect. Oh, Faye, you got Faye already, didn't you? Remember Faye you had?
Yeah.
So you've got Faye now. So it means you've got Unia and Faye.
And Rainbow.
Maybe for your birthday you can ask for another one.
Yeah.
So what do you think, Iris?
Good. Really entertaining. I love it so much.
So what's your overall rating of it?
I can't rate it. I can't rate it because I want to rate it all the numbers.
You want to rate it all the numbers, so would you say 10 out of 10?
No, I'll say 100 out of 100.
Oh, there we had it, guys. So Iris rates this toy 100 out of 100.
I hope you enjoyed my channel. Make sure to like, subscribe and click that notification. And we welcome you for a very good Boxing Day. Love from Mummy and Iris. Bye.
Bye.